In our hyper-connected world, security isn't optional. It is mission critical. Networks power everything from your morning meeting to massive global operation. And one breach, it could cost millions, crush reputation or worse. In this episode, we are breaking down why security needs to be everywhere, built into every layer, and how to design networks that stay locked down and resilient. Cyber threats today. They are sneaky, smart, and they come from all angles. Malware, ransomware, phishing, even internal misuse. That's why security can't live in just one part of the network. It needs to be pervasive, baked into every core, edge, cloud, and everywhere in between. When security is everywhere, sensitive data stays safe, business keeps running smoothly, and if something goes wrong, recovery is fast. Zero trust architecture. Forget safe inside, dangerous outside. Zero trust flips the script. Never trust. Always verify. Every user, every device, every time. It is powered by strong identity checks, microsegmentation of resources, real-time monitoring, and it works alongside tools like MFA, endpoint detection, and strict access control. The CIA Triad at the heart of it all. 3 goals. Confidentiality keeps data from prying eyes. Integrity, make sure it isn't tampered with. Availability, always online, always ready. Defense in depth, think of it like armor, layered protection. Firewalls block intrusion. Antivirus wipes out malware. Intrusion detection, spot suspicious moves. Compliance from HIPAA or GDPR, the rules are strict and for good reason. Meeting them isn't just legal, it's how you earn trust. At the edge, this is the front line, where users and devices connect. Defenses here include firewalls to block threats, VPN for secure remote access, web gateway to filter the bad stuff. At the core, here is where your most critical data flows. Protected with encryption, network segmentation. On endpoints, laptops, phones, IoT is your weakest links. Best practices here are endpoint protection, platforms or EPP, constant software updates. In the cloud, as more data moves to the cloud, so must your defense. Encrypt everything. Use IAM to manage who get access. Monitor. Monitoring and analysis. You can't fix what you don't see. With CM system, you get a real-time insights into threats before they cause chaos. Imagine remote workers accessing customer data in the cloud. Without a zero trust, one compromised device could be a disaster. With zero trust, users must authenticate with MFA. Access is limited to only what's needed. Anomalies detected and shut down in real time. It is security that adapts and protects. Phishing, fake emails, real consequences. Train your team, use filters to catch them early. Ransomware, pay up or lose access, or just be prepared. Backup regularly. Use endpoint protection tools. DDoS floods your network with traffic, stops you cold. Use DDoS protection services and load balancers, keep things running. Insider threats, sometimes the threat is already inside. Restrict access, monitor for odd behavior. HIPAA, encrypt patient info, control access. PCI DSS, secure payment system. It must be tested often. GDPR, respect user data, offer control and transparency. It is not just about ticking boxes, it's about earning trust and protecting people. Real world example, a financial institution. Picture a bank handling a sensitive data under tight regulation. Its security setup includes full-on zero trust models, layered defense across every touchpoint, a recovery plan ready to launch in case of attack. The result? A secure, compliant network that customer trust. Security isn't a feature. It is a mindset. It is a strategy. And in today's digital war, it is everywhere. Thanks for watching. And remember, when it comes to network, security isn't a part of the plan. It is the plan.